Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In front of you, the talking, I'm Jagat Alapkatul Siwa. Now, I wanna teach you how to make a simple video with a subtitle. Now, I wanna make this video with this video kajian video. The kajian is Indonesian bahasa language. The kajian is with bahasa, and I will make the subtitle with bahasa. I will teach like simple kind in Premiere. In there is the timeline. Timeline is the place for you with for editing. I'm sorry, for editing. In here is a program sequence program. To this place is with start the video if you editing with the timeline. Next is the project. The project is very many kind: source, effect, caption, effect control, media, browser, and very many again. Now, after you place a new file, now you import media to start. Double click this. This will be loading your file. Okay, your Finder will pop up if you start it. Now you open download. You search your video if you want to edit it. I'm sorry. I will search its kajian. Kajian. Or if you want to search, if you can find it, you can open your Finder, search download, and search in your video. Wait a minute, I will search it. This is a search. I'm sorry. This is like a trauma video. You can drag and drop this. Okay, this is your video trauma. If you want to start a new video, you must click this new item, sequence, HDV 180p 30. The name sequence is sequence 1. Okay. Now you make a new sequence. You can place your video trauma in here. Done. Okay. If you can see it, you can click the space bar for start it.
Setelah dia tak ada, makanya mumpung dia masih ada, ciumlah tangan, peluklah tangan.
Okay. If you can see that in here, you can right click and scale to frame size. Okay, done like this.
Setelah dia tak ada, makanya mumpung dia masih ada, ciumlah tangan, peluklah tangan, ciumlah kening. ada duit, kirim.
Okay.
Bisa, karena cari makan jauh.
Okay, we search it. Okay, see, this is the intro. You search the place one, the one place if you wanna cut it.
Semoga Ustadz senantiasa diberikan Allah kesehatan. Amin. Saya dari Medan. Wah, ada juga orang kampung saya di sini.
Okay, in here. I wanna cut that in here. I'm sorry. You can pull it for the time for you if you wanna make it long. Okay. Search.
Semoga Ustadz senantiasa diberikan Allah kesehatan. Amin. Saya dari Medan.
Okay, you wanna cut it here. You click this razor tool. Sorry, razor tool. You click the razor tool. The cabins is see. You cut it here. Okay. If you don't cut it, you click this selection tool. The cabin is V. Click this video. Click this for double. For simple like this. Okay, you click it double. Now you delete, drag. Sorry. Okay, drag to the first place. Drag until the first place. Okay. See, this is the first place.
Wah, ada juga orang kampung saya di sini. Bagaimana?
Okay, naik.
Bagaimana?
Okay, cut in here. Selection tool. Click delete. Okay. Now you start it.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak? Cara membahagiakan orang tua berjarak jauh dengan kita.
Okay. Now you click this new item and you click the caption. Okay, after this, okay. Okay, I see. I'm sorry. Okay, click subtitle. Okay, I will check it first. Sorry, I'll check it. Okay, done. Now you can drag this into this. Okay, done.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak? Cara membahagiakan orang tua berjarak jauh dengan kita.
Okay, now if you want to make it after the subtitle like this, go to the caption, click this. Okay, this you see this place in here 5 5 5 9 19. You set that 19. Okay, like that, and you hear the voice, and you will text the voice in here. For example, like this.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak?
Okay, for example like this, if you scroll in here, I'm sorry, this is a little error. This, click it, the this background, this text, what do you want to make it? For example, background color, I will make it 0. The text color is white or yellow. Sorry.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak? Cara
Okay. If you can't, you can you can delete this. Clear. After clear, you press again in here. Okay.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak? Cara membahagiakan orang tua berjarak jauh dengan kita. Sedangkan bertemu dekat bersama orang tua mungkin hanya 1 tahun sekali.
Oh, sorry, I will check it again. I'm sorry. The background color.
Kali Idul Fitri saja.
You can, if you error, you can check in the source sequence, or if you want fast something fast tutorial. For example, for my project, like this. Okay. We direct to this. Okay, this video is this motion video. Motion video you can place in here, and the sounds of kajian you can place in here, and the caption you can place in the top of the motion video. I'm sorry, I will check again. Okay, how to place it? You must open caption in here, caption, and okay, caption you can drag in here. After drag in here, you can open your caption like this. Start in 019 and end in 221. For example like this.
Bagaimana cara bakti seorang anak? Cara membahagiakan orang tua berjarak jauh dengan kita.
Like that. And for next example, and if done, and have and any word again.
Cara membahagiakan orang.
Okay. For example, this cara membahagiakan orang tua. And in that word start in here. You can see 2 to 21. You can set the time 0 to 21. We can hear again the words that word say.
Cara membahagiakan orang tua berjarak jauh dengan kita.
Okay. Nah, for the example like this, and that word start again in 6009, and you can place the caption in here, and we can hear it. The last word for this caption.
Sedangkan bertemu dekat bersama orang tua mungkin hanya 1 tahun sekali.
Okay, for example, this sorry. This word is last in here in 10. I'm sorry, 16, and you can search. I'm sorry, caption. You can search in here 0 for example like this, and you can make it very simple, but the making for making subtitle is very taking a long time, and for the example like that, apologize if something that I say wrong. Thank you. I'm sorry if I say wrong word. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.